guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new Dyson V11 Torque, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, I've had this vacuum cleaner for a little over a month, and I'm just now opening it up because I did want to film a unboxing, just haven't had the time. So now I am actually officially opening it. I did have a Tenco vacuum that I ordered. It's a cordless vacuum that I ordered from Amazon last year, and I wouldn't recommend that one if you have dogs that shed. So that one I am going to give to my mom, but right now my son is using it down at his college. So but yeah, before I get started, I want to welcome you guys all to my channel. I hope that you stick around and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead. So this is literally still in the box, unopened. So this is really, I don't even know, other than the pictures. I did get this from QVC. So we shall see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes with the little packaging. It tells you how to set it up, of course. And it does come with warranty that you need to activate online. So the features of this vacuum and the tools, it's a high torque cleaner head for carpet, whole machine filtration, captures allergens, transforms to clean up high, down low, and in between. Up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, hygienic power, and chute bin emptying. Many motorized tools for tougher tasks, and then combination tools, service tools, mini soft dusting brush, a stiff bristle brush, mattress tool, and up top adapter. Sorry, got interrupted. It's a flexi service tool as well. So I will show you guys all of the pieces that came with this. It does have 3 power modes. You have Eco, Auto, and Medium. And then it has for intense cleaning for ground and dirt, you have the boost setting. So for the Eco, it says maximum run time for longer cleans. So let's go ahead, and of course I know that this is going to need to charge up. So what I'm going to do is just show you guys the vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to put it together, let it charge, and I'll come back and show you guys how well it vacuums. Now this room down here and my son's room downstairs, the only 2 rooms in our house that has carpet. So and I recently moved my desk in here, so I work in here Monday through Friday, and of course the dogs are down here with me as well. So this room needs a good vacuum, so I'm excited to see how well it does. I wish it would tell you exactly like which head. I'm sure it does, but I'm not seeing it in the packaging as far as which thing does what. But this is the color that I got. I think it does come in different colors. And then this is the little piece too of the different attachments. Of course, this comes with pretty much all of the vacuums like this. And then we have this, which I don't know what the heck this one does. You have this, and this is the actual vacuum cleaner. Now this, you can, of course you can detach this and use it. Oh, it's actually charged a little bit, but I'm still going to charge it up fully before I use it on my floor. But this is actually bigger and heavier than the one that I got from Amazon. This one is actually more expensive. Of course, Dyson products are not cheap. This one, I think I got it for like, I think it was $5.99. It is a big purchase, but I surely needed it because these dogs shed like crazy. My big dog and then my grand dog, they shed like crazy around here, and I just needed something to help get more hair off the floor. I do have a robot vacuum as well. That helps a lot too, but that other vacuum just wasn't pulling as much as I needed off the floor. And it does come with a docking station. So this is part of the docking station. You can put it on the wall. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep it upstairs or either hang it on the wall down here where the laundry room is, just to keep it out of the way of the dog. I think this is like a clip that you can hang on your tools on. And this is the bottom part that goes on your pole. So it just clicks in just like that. And it's a simple connection. It connects just like my other one was, but again, like I said, this one is more heavier. I can tell it's worth the money just by the way that it feels. And I'm just so curious to see how the suction on I mean, it feels like it's gonna like get a lot up at one time. And I'm glad that I can't remember how many hours or how many minutes that other one lasted, but I mean, I could easily get my whole house vacuumed with it in one charge. So this is a brush. I'm pretty sure you can use this on like your sofa or your mattresses or whatever. That's what I use my other one for. How many of you, comment down below, how many of you vacuum your mattresses? There's another type of brush. Definitely you will be using this to vacuum out the car. Then this is the adapters, another type of head that came with it. And then this looks like some type of connector for one of the tools. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up. I am so excited, y'all, to see how well this works. But I will be back once this is fully charged. Okay, y'all, so before I actually put it on a charger, I did find this little pamphlet, and it tells you like the different modes. I've told you the name of the modes, but this kind of tells you what each mode do. So for the auto mode, which is recommended, it says it automatically adjusts power between surfaces, gentle on hardwood floors, deep cleans carpet. And then the echo mode, maximum runtime for longer cleans. It says it's a lower power mode to preserve battery health. The boost mode, intensive cleaning for ground and dirt. So here they're using the boost in the vehicle. It does have a power saving trigger, extend runtime and preserve battery life. So it did, my other one had that as well, where you didn't have to actually hold the trigger all while you were vacuuming. You can just click it to let it run on its own. So there's a 2-year free parts and labor warranty. Yeah, so I thought I would come back on real quick and tell you guys that little part, and now I am going to go ahead and charge up this vacuum, and I'll be back to show you guys how well it vacuums. So I did just plug it up. Of course I just opened it, so I don't have my thing put up on the wall yet. I just have it leaning up against the wall, but I wanted to show you guys this cool feature on it that once I plug it up, it tells you like that it was at 30% and it's charging. So I thought that was a very cute feature. So this is what it looks like. Yes, and that is the filter. So I will be back when it's at 100%. All right, guys, so the vacuum has charged, so we're gonna put it to work to see how well it gets up the stuff in the floor. Y'all look, just that little area alone, look how much it got up. I highly recommend this vacuum cleaner if you have it.
Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright?
You guys, so I vacuumed the whole room and look at this. Oops. And also I did go ahead and clip. You can clip two of the tools that you want to use the most onto this little clear piece that came with it, and then it goes on the side like that. So yeah, this thing is almost completely full. I keep hitting the button. That's about how much room I have left. But yeah, highly recommend this vacuum. I love this little thing on here because you can program it to whatever language that you speak. And it's already set on English, so I didn't have to change it. But yeah, it tells you your battery life span. And it also shows you what mode that you're in. So y'all, that's gonna sum up this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look, I'm not even in the... Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.